Hey people, well here's a video of a fan that we're saying goodbye to. This is that Lasko Model 4700 that I got some years back. As you can see, it's the one that has the rare rounded corner cabinet. Well, rare to Lasko at the time. It mostly had square corner box fans at the time. This one's going away in favor of that Galaxy that I showed just a few videos back with the square corner cabinet. I decided to get that one because square corners are more common. Yeah, it would have been nice to have this one too, but I only have room for so many fans. Also, while the cabinet's not all that bad, the grills on this one are in rough shape. It may not have any slats missing in the front grill, but it's still in rougher shape. You got this section chunked out down there. The real big issue with the front grill is, as you can see, this section's flapping loose simply because this part is broken off. And you can barely keep the grills on the cabinet. Sometimes they slip off. Or that one does anyway. And it's still the same green color as the Galaxy one. It's got a few blemishes here and there. And got one big set of blemishes down there, as well as up there. And the back grill, I guess not as warped as I thought it was, but it's a little bent up at the top, and it's being held in place with this piece of wire, which I think is wrapping around a part of the motor mount. Yeah, it's got a little chunk missing there and just one missing down there. And unlike the Galaxy, this one has the big rectangle in the middle, kind of concealing a bit of the motor mount. Just like the Galaxy, it too has an RMR motor. Yet unlike the Galaxy, this one actually has a little bit of a motor buzz to it, probably from a loose winding. There's the top. Just like most of these, it's missing its original handle, but this one actually has a wooden handle, or homemade wooden handle attached to it. Yeah, someone actually made a handle for this one. And this is just a 2-speed, whereas the Galaxy one is a 3-speed. Yeah, the 2-speed ones have the speeds engraved on the dial with this little diamond etched in the frame to indicate what speed it's on. Only the 3-speed ones actually had a sticker. Yep, that other one still has the diamond etched into the frame. I guess they made them all like that. And there's a Lasko logo. Same style logo they continue using up into the 80s or maybe into the 90s. And we'll show it running for the last time. Here it is on high. I think the speeds on this one aren't as high as on my Galaxy. I think it's just an average high. And here's low. I don't know, maybe the speeds are about the same. At least the two speeds this one has. Yeah, on low you can hear the grills kind of rattling. Back to high. And as always, O double F spells life. Still has decent coast down time. And I forgot to mention before I ran the fan or had an overall look at it, this one also comes with the original box. Which, as you can tell, this too has seen better days. Yeah, it's all ripped and stuff. Yeah. The box has its share of rips and tears, and yeah, it doesn't even say Lasko on the box, just says Super Deluxe 20-inch portable home cooler. And the other side is the same. And here in another part of the box it says it came out of a campus. Charlesfield campus. Now I'll have a close-up of the buzzing sound the motor makes. It makes that buzz on both speeds. Here it is on high. And it also does it on low. Well, it's not as bad on low. But you can really hear it in the startup on high. Yeah. High you can really hear it. Yeah, you can tell it seems like the front grill is barely able to stay on. Sometimes even with the slightest movement it'll fall right off. So anyway, this is my 1972 Lasko Model 4700 with the not as common at the time rounded corner cabinet. And I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, this will be going to my friend and fellow YouTube user, Rusty Bearing 45. So, thank you for watching.